Welcome to the Continental Refrigerator Service video page. Today we will be discussing our sandwich unit drain line cleaning. Before doing anything, make sure that the unit is unplugged and powered down. We also recommend moving any and all prepared or packaged goods from the unit. Pull the unit away from any wall to give yourself access to the rear. If your unit has a door, remove any shelving. If your unit has drawers, you must remove one of the drawer cages. You can remove the drawer by opening it and pulling the red tabs on the side of the drawer slides towards you and rotating them up. Put some light pressure on the front of the drawer and pull the drawer towards you to remove it. Score the caulking around the drawer cage assembly with a utility knife, then locate and remove the screws on the inside of the assembly as shown. Once the screws have been removed, you can pull the assembly out by pulling it up slightly towards you. You can gently tap the cross mullion with the palm of your hand to break it loose. Be sure to be mindful of the sides of the assembly as it may come in contact with the breakers. Locate the drain pan inside of the unit. Clear any visible debris from the drain hole and cover the drain hole with a clean, dry rag or cloth. You can access the drain line by removing the screws and rear cover on the back of the unit. The drain line should contain one loop in the middle to hold water. Remove the line from the loop and empty the water into the condensate pan and inspect the drain line for any visible blockages. Blow compressed air into the drain line from the back side of the unit. Once cleared, you must put a loop back into the drain line and place the remaining open end back into the condensate pan under or near the compressor. Once that is complete, clean any debris from the surrounding area and reinstall the rear cover. On the inside of the unit, remove the rag or cloth from over the drain hole and clean up any residual debris from the surrounding area, ensuring that the interior drain pan is clear of any more foreign objects or debris. You can then begin reassembling the unit by reinstalling any drawers, drawer cages, and shelving you may have removed, and then powering the unit back on. If you have any further questions about servicing your unit, please contact the factory at 800-523-7138 and ask for the service department.